This reflection video is for our last objective from the course this summer to regularly evaluate and reflect on professional practices and dispositions to improve and strengthen an educator's ability to effectively model and facilitate technology. This objective stands out in particular to me because I had an experience with this semester. For this particular assignment that I have on the screen, I interpreted the directions a different way than Dr. Lewis meant for the assignment to be interpreted. So after a phone conference and rediscussing the assignment and everything, I was able to go back and redo the assignment correctly and receive full credit for it. But the assignment in itself is also part of this objective. It is looking at several different models of standards and meaningful learning and things like that are from our textbook. And as you can see right here highlighted in red, cooperative skills like with collaboration, communication, classroom communities, things like this was the only skill that was mentioned in all three of the models. Other skills like creativity and innovation, research and information fluency, and critical thinking skills were mentioned in 2 out of the 3 models, and other skills, while important in their own ways, were just only mentioned in 1 of the models, which is what makes the models all different from each other. So the background with this assignment was to evaluate the models and then really analyze them so that we would be knowledgeable enough to take this information, and if somebody were to ask us about the ISTE standards or 21st century skills, that we would be able to tell them what they were and how they can be used in their classroom. This is part of our content knowledge for being in the Instructional Technology Master's Program and part of professional growth, that as new things come about and new things are adopted, that we've got to stay educated and really stay on top of it. Those 21st century skills are really, really key in the classroom world and education world right now. That's a really, really hot topic. And the other things like the characteristics of meaningful learning, these are things that are kind of more traditional elements and skills, and then we move to the newer with the 21st century. So I think that reflecting over the class, that I definitely did grow with my professional knowledge as being in technology, and being able to integrate it, got lots of ideas, and it just really built on my foundations classes that I had last semester. So I am definitely excited to get back in the classroom this upcoming school year and hopefully incorporate more technology. I wrote a grant to receive some Chromebooks from my classroom that will be mine. So I hope that that works out and that I can on a daily basis incorporate some of these skills into my educational foundations for my students.